And with the federal and state government ramping up enforcement of immigration laws, many are concerned about how that will affect communities. Isabella Vesperini reports the Monroe County Education Association has been informing Monroe County schools how to handle deportation threats.
MCCSC Superintendent Mark K. Winston emailed parents a couple weeks ago saying that the school corporation does not ask for students' immigration status when they enroll in school. The corporation only requires proof of residence within the school district.
Schools can ask for a birth certificate so that we can appropriately, put a student into the appropriate grade level. But if there is no birth certificate, we're still going to enroll them. Public schools are free and accessible.
The Monroe County Education Association has begun informing teachers on what to do if a deportation threat is imminent. MCCSC must comply with the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, which protects students' educational records.
If officials arrive at the door of a school, they will need to have some kind of a warrant or document that essentially says, we are here to pick up these people.
Concerns about students potentially being taken away are based on a large number of students who are learning English as their second language.
We love our students, and the thought of them being taken away because of an unconfirmed suspicion that their paperwork may or may not be in order is anathema to what we do every day.
Noble Kuchera has advice for teachers and staff members on how to navigate these uncertain times.
Don't ask, because it's not required of us to ask, and why would we? It's irrelevant.
On last week's Noon Edition, Winston said she's committed to supporting students regardless of immigration status.
In the event that that were to happen, we would immediately be in conversation with our attorneys to make sure that we are adhering to the law, but that at the same time we are keeping our students front and center in terms of safety and making sure that we can plan and support them in whatever way is necessary, physically, emotionally.
For Indiana News Desk, I'm Isabella Vesperini.